Did you know that science shows that people feel more stressed during uncertainty than knowing for sure that something bad will happen? In one study, people who had 50% chance of getting electric shock were more stressed than those who knew for sure that they would get shocked. That's crazy, right? That's because our brain just simply hates uncertainty. The amygdala, the region in our brain that processes fear, sees unknown as a possible threat, which kind of makes sense because our ancestors had to be more alert during uncertain times when they didn't know what was coming because it meant survival. But now we're stuck with that brain that sees uncertain as a life or death. So we must live with it. Then we have the prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for planning and decision making. And during uncertainty, it also struggles. It gets overwhelmed, and so it can lead to stress and anxiety. But here's something very interesting. During uncertainty, our dopamine level increases. You know, that brain chemical that is responsible for motivation and reward. This explains why unpredictable things such as social media, video games, slot machines can be so addictive. But remember, not everyone feels the same way. While some people love change, others find it anxious and prefer stability. But there is good news because you can train your brain to handle uncertainty better by exposing yourself to small unknowns. And over time, your brain adapts and you become more resilient.